Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is M.A.C and today I'm going to show you this kind of eye look. This is also an Instagram inspired look. If you want to know how I create this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start with priming my eyelids and I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Today I'm going to use this Pretty Acid eyeshadow palette by You and this Aurora Lights palette by BH Cosmetics. So I'm going to take this and just going to draw an outline. Now I'm going to mix this and this together. I'm just going to blend that dark shade. Now I'm going to take this yellowish orange shade. Now I'm going to take this yellow shade. And I'm adding the same color combination here also. Now I'm going to draw a cut crease line and I'm using this FS38 base. Now I'm going to take this and this shade together. Now I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics palette and I'm going to take this color called Polar. Now I'm going to draw two half circles. Wiping the shimmer shade from this middle portion. Now again I'm going to take this and this shade together. I'm taking this maroon shade. Now picking this yellow orangey shade. Now I'm going to take this color. I'm going to blend the outer portion. Now I'm going to use this shade for my lower waterline. Now I'm going to add this color. It's time to highlight my brow bone. So I'm gonna pick this shade. And for inner corner, I'm gonna pick this color. Now my eye makeup is done. I'm gonna put some falsies and complete my face makeup and I'll be right back. So my base makeup is completed. Now I'm going to add lipstick and I'm using this 2 shade by Colourpop. And this shade called Mama and this shade is called Speed Dial. Now I'm going to add this petal in the middle. Now it's time to add some glow on my face, and I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter. And to complete the look, I'm gonna use this M.A.C Fix Plus. So here is the complete look. If you like this look, then please let me know by commenting below. And please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notification every time I upload. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.